Our next performer is our first performer from Carpinteria. She comes to us from the 6th grade at Carpinteria Middle School, and her goals among her singing career, or ahead, is to perform at Times Square on New Year's Eve. And tonight she's going to be bringing Adele to the stage here. That's right. She's going to be singing Adele's Rolling in the Deep. Ladies and gentlemen, from Carpinteria Middle School, 6th grader Alitza Gonzalez.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me I'll lay your stuff bare. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Maybe I have no story to be told, but I've heard one of you. I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair, making home down there, 'cause mine sure won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it with a beating. Throw yourself through every open door. Count your blessings, so find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into tragic gold. You'll pay me back in kind of reap just what you sow. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all, it all, it all. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hands, and you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat.
Ladies and gentlemen, Alitza Gonzalez. That was awesome. Now, just a little while ago, she told me this afternoon you were getting your hair done, and what happened? You got discovered by a big-time entertainment person?
Yeah, I was getting my hair done, and one of the stylists told me to sing because my mom had told them that I was going to perform in the talent show. So
The Great Carpinteria Talent Showcase.
yeah. So after I finished singing, a lady came up to me named Erica. And she told me that she wanted me to be on her show Monday.
That's right. That's going to be on 1290 radio?
Yep.
All right. Monday morning. And she said anything to get out of class. Great job. Thank you very much. And you're on your way. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. One of our rising stars here at the Carpinteria Talent Showcase.